Make a chain of 62 stitches. Pause here. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 2 and skip 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch. Do this 3 times. 2, 3. Chain 2 and skip 2 stitches. Half double crochet in the third stitch. Chain 2 and skip 2 stitches. Double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this 3 times. Chain 2 and skip 2 stitches. Make a treble crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this process 5 times. Chain 2 and skip 2 chains. Double crochet in the next chain. Do this 3 times. Chain 2 and skip 2 chains. Half double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2 and skip 2 chains. Single crochet in the next chain 4 times. Chain 1 and turn at the end of the row. Single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 2 and single crochet in the next single crochet. Do this 3 times. Chain 2 and half double crochet in the next half double crochet. Chain 2 and double crochet in the next double crochet 3 times. Chain 2 and treble crochet in the next treble crochet. Do this 5 times. Chain 2 and double crochet in the next double crochet 3 times. Repeat row 2 for rows 3 through 14 following the directions above. At the end of row 14, end off your yarn and weave in all your ends. Attach brown yarn with a single crochet in the far right corner. Make 3 single crochets in each chain 2 space around. When you get to the ends, try to make 16 evenly spaced single crochets across each end. When you get to the first single crochet that you made, join, finish off, and weave in all your ends. Turn the piece over and repeat for the second side. With needle and thread, sew both ends closed. When the ends are closed, it should look like a little canoe. Make 2 hangers. With brown yarn, chain 12. Slip stitch into the first stitch to form a ring. Chain 1 and single crochet in each chain around. Join to the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. Do this around until you have made 6 stitches. Join to the first single crochet made with a slip stitch. Chain 12. Slip stitch into the third stitch on the opposite side. Make 12 single crochets over the chain 12 loop. Slip stitch back into the same stitch where you began the chain 12. End off and weave in the end. Using a darning needle and brown thread, sew the cap over the end of the banana hammock. Repeat on the opposite side. Install 2 cup hooks and hang.